Hello, fellow YouTubers. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for visiting. I hope you enjoy my video here, and I'm trying to share my experiences at Computex visit in Taiwan, and that was happened last year. I missed it this year, but that was great. And this is basically for the someone who lives in the U.S. and haven't checked out the other trade show other than CES and trying to understand what's going on in Taipei. Computex show and is known as the trade show, consumer electronics. The biggest one is CES in the United States, Las Vegas. The second largest, and also the biggest in Asia, is a Taiwan Computex. And now the Shanghai, there's a tech consumer show. I think is getting bigger. But anyway, in 2 years ago, I heard that this is the biggest consumer electronics consumer show in Asia. Anyway, just one small tip. If you register yourself online well advanced, you can get the free tickets. So don't forget that. If you're not sure, but if you have any chance, go ahead and visit the visitor section and register as an international visitor and get a online the tickets. Okay, that's one tip for you. So let me share this. Boom, right? And as you see here, this is one of the building. It's like a CES consumer electronics show in Las Vegas. It's not only one spot, like a three, four the biggest venue. So three different locations. You have to move around. They provide shuttles. Maybe not. I forgot. Okay, I think I move. I think they have a shuttle. The good news is about Taipei, Taiwan, Uber friendly city, and in many cases, Uber using a Uber app, no problem. Okay, so even if you have a communication issue, a local language, in a Taiwan language, but if you're willing to use a Google Translator, always you can speak to local language. I put the link, the pre-recorded the video, the YouTube video earlier released about how to use a Google Translator app. Okay. Anyway, so this is I think the main hall, the one of the top one or two, and second floor you can see entire the booth. It looks like small, but it's actually not. I mean, it's all around and underneath of the roof of the second floor. You can go out here and there. It's huge. So all the Taiwanese manufacturers, they have their own booth. You name it. Let me see. CYP, Gigatech, SmartTech, Gigabyte, and all the PC peripherals, keyboard, computer peripheral, and all the gaming solutions, and all the technology. Okay, so easy tech. Check this out. So this is the labeler, okay, that I had breakfast, local restaurant. Oh, this is every time I go to the local restaurant in Taiwan, Taiwanese, that sandwich toast being served like American style, and they have a pet like a dog. I kind of miss this dog. Okay, if I go there again, and yeah, this is the is a giant. The computer, I think, is a server, but as you see, a lot of heat sinks. It's a lot of processors. It's a gigantic system and monster, and yeah, this is the, I believe, is a server level. Many slots for the. Oh, this is, see, NVIDIA. So not only, normally one system has one graphic cards, as you see, like several, like a parallel processing, it processing, what is this? 10 double wide GPU super server. Wow, my goodness. For you, yeah, obviously anything that comes U, that is a server terms, okay? Wow, 24 hot swap. Hot swap meaning is you can swap while power is on, okay? It's awesome. Intel Xeon scalable processor. Wow, awesome. 10.4 giga. But again, this is last year's, okay? I missed this year, so can you imagine that? Okay, let me see. Okay, check this out.
Hi, Wen. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so awesome, right? And so this is it. And she see there are a lot of gaming relevant the booth as well, in game characters. So fun. See the game costume. So model here, the showgirls, so pretty. Okay, and I'll cover that topic next time. And as you see here, this is game like this is very unique. Again, this year probably has more advanced, but this is a last year version. Still, you see the display has a foldable, the wide angle. This is more immersive experience you may have. This is awesome, awesome. Check this out. Isn't it great? It's awesome. So MSI, the well-recognized brand in Taiwan, and a lot of IoT keyword last year. Microsoft booth, they advertise a lot of Surface relevant products, and this is Ever Media, one of the game capture solution provider. As you see, this is a last year version, okay? The gaming capture like 4K solution, capture solution, hardware based and software based. So this is great news for the gamers. Yeah, so see, if you're gamers, and I would say, go in and check it out. All the game solutions here. There's fancy the product, and last year, but this year, and they should have more products or newer upgraded product. This is again last year version, okay? So the keyword last year was the 4K 60K 60 frame per second and HDR capture. That is amazed the phenomena last year, but I think this year is more and more. And frame per second, typically low end is 60 frame per second, 120, but as you see here, 240 frame per second. Oh my god, that was last year once again. Okay. See the computer. This is enormous and not a ventilation. They took care of it to resolve the heat issues involved. The Razer, they have lots of peripherals provider as well. Media once again. Wow, this is unbelievable system here. Yes, again. Yeah, last year particularly because of a work issue, I visited more a gaming booth than other stuff. Was so amazed. Okay, yeah, all the gadgets here. All the product, as you see, the standalone capture device, a low end 30 frame second capture, 60 and 4K capture. Okay, hardware based and software based, all the products. This is so that building, if you visit, normally exhibition hall, they has a cafeteria or the restaurant that serve as a the buffet style, so you can choose the food. Oh, this is one the gaming, the like a player and the showgirls here, and this is like I think the showcase. See, so many people are lined up here. Yes. Inside doesn't remember that. Pass. Yeah, this is a gamers. So in the gamer is like a game show, like a gameplay professional gamers. It was like a lot of events playing and showing the competition, and this is also a capture device. Okay. G5, a nice design. This is how using the capture device. So gamers, basically the function is while you're playing the game, it capture your best gameplay, and you can share your best gameplay clip with your friends through the YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. So that's a philosophy of the game capture solution. So many game capture, and now is also the keyword is a mobile capture. Okay, this is outside of the building. This is some the part of the yeah. This is when I'm moving out to the next venue, and overhang bridge to look at the buildings. So many skyscrapers in many building, and it's Taiwan is good thing is very safe comparatively, and feel you can walk, and as I said, Uber friendly as well. Okay, yeah, that's the next building, and a more small solution provider, and this is also lunch, I guess. What is it? Bibimbap Korean style. Okay, so yeah, this is all for today, and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please and subscribe it, and you will get notified with more upcoming interesting and good stuff, I promise. Thank you for watching, see you next time.